today's video, we are going to be doing yet another unboxing video. And for today, we are going to be unboxing some of the 7-Year 7 members merchandise. But oh my god, guys, before that, I recently won a giveaway from Wear Fandom PH nung birthday ni Sungjae. And I won this 6 cash bucket hat. And if you don't know what 6 cash means, then
My English name is 6 cash.
it is Sungjae's self-proclaimed English and rapper name. So yan, ito na. Wait. Okay, you guys, this is it. I have 2 packages here kasi sa magkaibang shop ko sila binili. If you do not know yet, BTOB celebrated their 7th year anniversary last March 21, and they had an exhibit, a 2-week-long exhibit titled 7-Year 7 Members, and of course, part nun, of course, lagi namang may merchandise dyan. And first, I got a ayan, Piece of BTOB. So, if you do not know yet, Piece of BTOB is actually a monthly release by each member noong 2017. So, nagkaroon sila ng monthly release, kanya-kanyang song, ganyan. And then, nagkaroon ng physical album nito. Isa siyang like collection of album. And ganito siya. Sobrang mahal niya, hindi ko kaya. So, ang binili ko lang is yung kay Sungjae. I got a tingi version. Sobrang, girl, the amount of impulsive buying in this thing, sobrang hindi healthy. Wag gayahin. Kasi, girl, ayan, sobrang nakaka-broke po ang BTOB. At kahit hindi sila active ngayon, broke pa din ako. How? So, ito na nga po. OMG! Super cute! Chanan! I got this from Ate Abby. She's not really a shop, but rather she sells her extras. And chanan! So, this is the Sungjae Piece of BTOB and Postcard. Sinamahan niya rin ng Postcard. Super bait niya as in. Really, really. So, yung actual piece of BTOB, it's like 2,200 pesos yung isang set. Girl, hindi natin yun kaya. So, ito. I think I got this for 650. Postcard and ano na yun? Postcard and piece of BTOB. That's actually quite a steal, sa totoo lang. And ito na yun. Okay. Ay, okay, nakasil pa yung ano. But this is the piece of BTOB. Sobrang ganda. Guys, look. This is Sungjae's, Sungjae's self-composed. Meron siya ditong self-composed track. And super, bet. Super ganda nung kanyang, art. And alam nyo ba, since super love ni Sungjae ang kanyang self, kita nyo yan, itong, ano matag dito, koi fishes, kasi he loves fishes, diba? He's like, literally a fish himself. Pero like, this fishes, ito, ayan, it says, yuk. Ang talino ng kuya mo. So, yan. OMG. And if you open it, ayan. Dito yung CD, and sa kabila is yung checklist. Oh, I see. Wait, how do you... Oh, okay. Sa kabila is yung tracklist. Meron siyang 2 tracks. Yung ibang member, isang tracks lang. So, ang kasama is yung track nila and then an instrumental. Since Sungjae has 2 songs, nandito yung Malhe, which is... Ano nga bang English nun? I forgot. Talagay ko na lang dito. Tell Me? Tell Me. Yun. Tapos number 2 is Paradise. Yung Paradise yun, composed and lyrics by Sungjae. Ayan. Nandito yung lyrics for Tell Me and then for Paradise. And sobrang cute. And it's super nipis. Like super duper. And this is Piece of BTOB Volume 6.
My English name is 6
talagang
cash.
favorite number niya. Kaya sa 6, Volume 6 siya. Ayan. So this is the first one. And then let's go with the postcard. Sobrang tagal ko na tong gustong i-unbox you guys. Oh, shoot. Ako'y kinakabahan kasi baka madaanan ng cutter yung mismong postcard. Grabe, girl. If that happens, I'm not gonna forgive myself. Okay, wait lang. Let me get back to you.
Guess who have forgotten that she pressed the pause button and continued unboxing without even noticing she is on pause. Yes, that stupid person is me. I decided not to refilm the unboxing because it won't capture the raw emotions one gets upon first opening a merch. So instead, here is a short montage. Enjoy! P.S. If you're looking for a sign to buy these merch, even though BTOB is literally V much near their 9th anniv, then this is the sign you have been waiting for. P.
난 그 말도 한 귀로 듣고 무작정 너만 따라다녔었지. yeah, yeah. 보기 못하겠어 솔직히 웬걸 어장인지 밀당인지 몰라도 매번 홀딱 넘어가 물가 속에서 딱 하나만 골라 love and war. 내 맘